The National Plastic Products Company plant at Odenton, Maryland. A firm that plays one specialized part in the manufacture of a product that makes life a little easier and better for all of us. Arriving at the Odenton factory daily come tons of a white plastic powder called Saran, made from petroleum and brine pumped out of deep underground lakes in the south. The Dow Chemical Company produced the Saran powder. Now, National Plastic Products will further process it, add pigments, and extrude or spin it into a fiber that can be woven like cloth. Here, National Plastic Products will not do the weaving. It sticks to the job it does best, leaving earlier and later phases of the manufacturing operation to firms that have the expert know-how in those fields. Out of the extruders come heavy strands of plastic, which, cooled in water and drawn out, become thinner and thinner. Finally, the Saran becomes a strong filament, 15 thousandths of an inch in diameter. It can now be handled in much the same manner as you would handle thread, but its color is built in, and it has uses to which thread could never be put. Now it moves on to another city in another state for the next step in its development. The Lumite division of the Chicopee Manufacturing Corporation of Georgia is the company that finally transforms the Saran into products that will be used by the consumer. First, some of the fiber is rewound onto bobbins that will shuttle back and forth in the weaving to make the cross strands. Other spools are put on a creel to be rewound onto much larger rolls. They'll feed the fibers that run longitudinally. Chicopee has had long experience as a manufacturer of cotton cloth, so the changeover to weaving plastic fabrics was accomplished with a minimum of confusion. About once every 2 days, the roll of Saran thread for the warp must be renewed, and a mechanical tire joins every strand in only a few minutes. It's here, for example, that a company like Lumite is able to take advantage of knowledge gained in generations of practice in allied fields. Once everything is ready, the loom goes into action. And the end product, not cloth as you think of it in this case, although elsewhere in the plant the plastic is woven into fabrics for a variety of uses. This is insect screen cloth, with some surprising advantages over the usual screening materials. Completely rust and corrosion resistant, it requires no protective painting, since its color is built in. Strong, light, and taut, the armed forces preferred it above all others during World War II, especially in the tropics. Now, even when used in areas right near the water, it's doing a standout job for the American homeowner. Around this particular household, where there also appears to be a shortage of manpower, it's Lumite screen cloth to the rescue.